I love nature, don't you? All around you, as far as you can see, the palm trees, the raccoons, the straw, the sea, the gas, the pansies, the geraniums, the rosemary, the herbs, the poinsettias, the brush, the bushes, the recycled Christmas trees. Nature is everywhere. Jasmine against rust. Concrete against dust. Autumn or bust. Here we go. Stay warm. Happy New Year. And take care of nature, and by gum, she'll take care of us. Adios, amigos. Oh, as Coco Chanel said, mix the fake with the real. Isn't that nice? Yes. Right. Oh, here, we see we're over winter and we're getting ready for the cold snap on Monday. So here's some straw. Christmas lights is also a good idea. You'll see that later on Facebook. Okay? Okay. Nature. Nature. Nature.